Nagawa the Beach. Sa Sibuyan, si Clint naglalakad. And that is Sir Oka, Sir Bainko sa naglulublob, no? Lulublob sa Sibuyan. Sibuyan, by the way, is in Romblon, one of the islands in Romblon. And this was in 2018. Yan, si Clint. Sobrang linaw ng tubig ng Sibuyan Islands. So, napakaganda. May magandang sandbar. That is around mga 1 oras siguro. Yan si Clint sa falls ng Catingas River. Catingas River is one of the cleanest rivers in the country. Sobrang linaw. So dinadayo yan sa one of my students, si Vivian yata or si Anipot. And we are diving yan. So ito yung sa ilog, Catingas River. That is Sir B, Clint. And yan ang mini falls. Ayan. And magda-dive. May platform. No? Yan yung pinaka-platform. Mga gustong mag-dive. Mga 3-story. Yung taas ng may 3 level eh. First floor, second, third. Pinakamataas platform. Okay. Story na yun eh. Yan. So, kita ko dyan, mag-dive ako. Second floor lang. Second platform lang. Parang si Dr. Inko yung pag-dive. Second story lang ako dyan. Okay, so halina, pagtatlong sa third floor. Sir Onka, I think second floor din. Okay, so ito naman yung may departure pagdating. Parang departure to from Batangas. By the way, going to Sibuyan through Batangas Port, yung daan ferry, the ferry is yung Binavios. Departing Batangas ang 3 p.m. Siguro mga madaling araw ang dating ng Sibuyan from Batangas na 12 hours travel time. Through ferry talaga, walang plane. Parang ito'y galing Batangas kami, no? Departing Batangas Port.
20 minutes na.
Stress ng hapon. So I was with Sir Oscar, Baingo, si Clint, si Vivian, si Freeville, si Annie, si Andrew. So kaya kalimutan isa. Mga estudyante namin sa Ama University that time. Nagsisama, exploring the country. Yan, kita from the background yung Batangas. Hindi na kung Batangas. Nakalimutan kong Batangas to or Sibuyan Department. So, malit lang yung ferry. Pang inter-island lang. Yung barko kalmado that time kasi it was I think April or May. So, kalmado. Summertime. Wala pa masyadong ulan, no? That time. And so planning to go back to Sibuyan ngayong 2026. Ibang batch naman ang kasama ko. Before it was with people from my university. Ngayon siguro ibang batch naman kasama. Pagpuntang Sibuyan, siyempre mga sikat dyan. Cresta de Gallo. Cresta de Gallo is an island that is a isolated, a separate island. may magandang sandbar. Of course, the Categas River, napakalinaw. So, bye for now. Hope you enjoy the video. Ayan, so salamat.